Hello friends! Today I will teach you how to draw a butterfly. So friends, let's draw a butterfly. First, you draw a circle and this line. Another circle. Okay. Now you draw make a curved line. Okay, good job. Now we'll draw this and make a curved line. Okay, good job. Next, math. Next step, you draw a circle and another circle. Whoa, good job, friend. Now you draw one circle, two circle, three circle. Whoa, good job. Now you draw the left side. Right this. Whoa, good job. And make a curved line. Draw a circle and another circle and 1, 2, 3. Draw the face. Okay, you draw a big circle here and a big circle here. You draw a hair here and here. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.